Hello and welcome to my channel, Beardy Vlogger. In today's video, we're going to do part 3 of the No Beard Products for 30 Days series. In terms of softness, it's pretty much the same as it has been for the last few weeks. The key thing that I noticed is very different. I usually don't really get a lot of shedding of the beard, but in this week, I'm starting to see a few hairs here and there, just on in my work area on my table. I was actually expecting the beard to be very straw-like, being this close to the end of the 30 days. Today is day 24. But I found out that my beard actually doesn't need as much products as I thought they did. And I actually found that out by doing the porosity test that Tyson and Faithfully Bearded made. I'm going to toss the video up here for you guys. I highly encourage you guys to try that porosity test. It really helped me learn a lot about my beard. There's low porosity, medium porosity, and high porosity. All those things mean different things for your beard and how much products you should use. I learn a little bit more about maybe why you're getting some more breakage than other people and things like that. And doesn't necessarily mean that your beard is bad one way or another. It just means you might need different things to treat your beard with. I cannot wait to start using beard products again. I really miss them, especially the scents. I'm kind of channeling the Beard Baron today to let you guys know that the Beard Baron is going to be the first product that I use again. That is something that has been a common question over the last few days here. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Um, uh, and all those things different mean.
Perfect.